Training and development. Training is the process of helping employees to improve their knowledge and skill so as to be able to perform their tasks more efficiently. The term development refers to the process of not only building up the skill and abilities, but also the overall competence of employees to undertake more difficult and challenging tasks. Importance of training and development. The employee who receives the necessary training is more able to perform in their job. The various points of importance of training are discussed below. Improved employee satisfaction and morale. The investments in training that a company makes shows employees that they are valued. The training creates a supportive workplace. Employees may gain access to training they wouldn't have otherwise known about or sought out themselves. Addressing weaknesses. Most employees will have some weaknesses in their workplace skills. A training program allows you to strengthen those skills that each employee needs to improve. Consistency. A robust training and development program ensures that employees have a consistent experience and background knowledge. The consistency is particularly relevant for the company's basic policies and procedures. Increased productivity and adherence to quality standards. Productivity usually increases when a company implements training courses. Increased efficiency in processes will ensure project success, which in turn will improve the company turnover and potential market share. Increased innovation in new strategies and products. Ongoing training and upskilling of the workforce can encourage creativity. New ideas can be formed as a direct result of training and development. Reduced employee turnover. Staff are more likely to feel valued if they are invested in and therefore less likely to change employers. Training and development is seen as an additional company benefit. Recruitment costs therefore go down due to staff retention.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.